This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com, your one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. I wanted to do another unboxing video, this time for a microphone, the Shure Super 55. I've got it right here in the box, and I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to explore this one together. So you can see a picture of the microphone, obviously, on the outside of the box. And then we open it up. You've got the usual paperwork and propaganda. The microphone itself, wrapped up in the bubble wrap, of course. Thread adapter, very important. And a carrying bag, also a nice thing to have. So, as usual with the microphones, first thing you're going to notice about this is the weight. It's really heavy. I know it's got a die-cast casing, and it's supposed to be very durable. They call it stage-proof. I wouldn't recommend putting it through the ringer too much, but you get the idea. And then we're going to listen to it here in a little bit, but it's got what they're calling a super cardioid pattern, so it's going to pick up everything from this side here, and it's going to reject from the back, and we'll demonstrate that as well. And then the inner workings of it mirror the Beta 58A. So it's a really high-end microphone. It's going to be great for singing, for podcasting, for whatever you've got to do. And the element inside is shock mounted. So if you're swaying and moving and doing all that kind of stuff, it shouldn't affect the way that it's picking up your voice. So that's the guts of it. This is, it's pretty simple to unbox a microphone. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, I've got the microphone on a desktop mic stand for a couple of reasons. I wanted to show how well it picks up if I'm getting further away from it than I would normally be. So if I push back here, it's getting me a little bit less, but it's still going to pick me up. The other thing that I want to show is the super cardioid pattern that the microphone has. What that means is it's kind of a heart shape right around here, and that's what it should be picking up. And but it should reject from this side, and from the back. So if I lift it up and turn it around, then you should hear me getting a little bit softer, because that's not what the microphone is supposed to be trying to pick up. And if I turn it back around here, then you should be able to hear me a little more clearly. So here we are with my son Timothy. He's going to help demonstrate how the microphone works. I tend to stay at the correct distance and not shout into it or anything like that. And so we're going to see what Timothy has to say about anything. So Tim, talking to the microphone.
This ball is pretty good, and when you hit high home runs, and yeah.
What's your favorite baseball team?
My favorite baseball team is the Red Sox and Rockies. I'm gonna get Rockies key for my first car, which is the pink 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. It's gonna be coming up when I'm 44.
Yeah, you're planning ahead for what your first car is going to be.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Well, thank you so much for helping demonstrate using this microphone, bud. And thank you all for watching. Check out, this is the Shure Super 55 Deluxe.
And yeah.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.